How to sign up to Quora. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you can go ahead and simply open a Quora application or simply visit your browser and then search for Quora.com. For now, I'm gonna go ahead and simply open the app. And then from here, go ahead and simply tap on sign up with email and then type in your name and then enter your email as well. And once you have done that, you want to go ahead and simply tap on next. And once you tap on next, you'll be asked to enter a strong password. You may also be asked for your full name and complete any captcha or bot check. And after signing up, Quora will send you a verification email. You can go ahead and simply open up your inbox and then find the verification link. This step confirms your email and activates your account. And that is how you can sign in or sign up to Quora in your mobile device. That is the video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.